ngivukele emakhaya igama lami ngiwuzukiswa kaMhlongo ngiphuma eBizana Eastern Cape. I'm the director and the founder of a restaurant called Spars on Mark Lane in Port Edward. Restaurant, it's a family restaurant. We cater for functions as well, parties, baby showers, and yeah. Ukuze ngibe usomabhizinisi ngiqale ngikhule ekhaya vele ibhizinisi kuyinto ekuphilwa ngalo. Ngiqale nginesitolo esincane Eastern Cape okuthiwa iCorner House. From sona nge-expanda ngeza la ePort Edward to a bigger venue. Ama-challenges engiqale ngabhekana nawo okokuqala ukuthi mangimuvela la ePort Edward indawo yami ibisecaleni ibingekho visible. Ngibe nalawo ma-challenge leyo ukuthi bekufanele ngiyenze ukuthi abantu bayazi. Kathi-ke konke lokho-ke ngiye ngakwenza. USifta ungisizile kwi-program yabo Asset Assist laba ngithengele khona i-machinery for i-restaurant, kitchen, and baphinde futhi bangenzela i-branding, baphinde futhi bangenzela i-packaging. Ngabona i-advert nga-applya that time yayingakabikho online, ngagcwalisa ama-forms ngangiwa-downloadile and then bese ngafonelwa-ke kwathiwa mangiletha ama-documents wami. Ya kwaqala lapho-ke ukuthi bangisize. Ukuzimisela nokusebenza kanzima ikhona okungenzile ukuthi ngize ngifike kule restaurant enkulu kunale bengiyirana, and on top of i-restaurant ngike nga-add amanye ama-services ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngiqhubeke like la bese ngike ngawa-mention ukuthi ngifike futhi mawuze lana siyakwenzela i-party, sikwenzela i-in-house decor esikwenzela yona, siphinde futhi senza ama-catering for functions, private functions. Target market yam for catering for now kuse ama-local schools engisawenzayo, imicimbi efana nemishado, membeso, konke lokho. Ngiphinde futhi ngenze private parties. Ngisadinga ukukhula because ngifila sengathi iSpars sesise-Port Edward. Ngifuna ukukhula ngiphinde futhi ngihambe ngiyovula maybe branch kwenye indawo, but for now ngisibona sengathi ngisadinga ukuthi ngiqale ngisebenze kanzima ukuze ngi-achieve lokho. Ngiqale with abasebenzi abawu-4. Manje senginabasebenzi abawu-12 aba-permanent nabawu-5 abama-casual. La ekhaya-ke kunama-frequently asked questions like abantu babuza ukuthi bangangena yini notshwala lama beze kwi-party or event. No, asikuvumeli lokho because it's nearby a fully licensed, so we provide you with alcohol. Ama-questions abantu baye bawabuza ukuthi umuntu mayizelana ezokwenza i-party or i-event indawo yethu ithatha abantu abangaphi. I-space sethu sithatha abantu abawu-300, i-restaurant ithatha abantu abawu-120, i-bar ithatha 80, siphinde sibe ne-veranda ithatha abantu abawu-100. Sivula from Tuesday to Sunday from 9 to 8 during the week, weekends 9 to 12. Siyatholakala ku Facebook as Spars Restaurant, siyatholakala ku Instagram Spars Restaurant, na TikTok Spars Restaurant. Hlezi vele kuyiphupho lami ukuthi ngilekelele abantu Kujabulisa kakhulu ukuthi ngibe nabantu ababhenefithayo ngesiphathi njengoba si-operator 6 days a week. Ngiphinde futhi ngibonge no-SITFA ngokungilekelela ngezinto angilekelela ngazo because izona ezingenze ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngi-expand ibhizinisi. Igama lami ngiwuZukiswa KwaMhlongo. I'm the next billionaire.